Even though most people don't believe it, the price of Axie Infinity has dropped by 7.57% in the last 24 hours. Also, despite what most people think, Axie's support floor is currently 10 and 21 cents, and its next obstacle is thought to be at 11.87 on May 8, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much Axie Infinity will cost now or in about a week. We'll also try to answer any questions you might have. Axie Infinity support and resistance levels, etc., are very important. However, before we get too far into the AXS technical analysis, we should talk about the current economy, which is a very big deal. According to the market analysis over the last 24 hours, there was a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total loss over the last 24 hours to 1.96%. Bitcoin has 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% lead. This has led to Bitcoin's price dropping to $27.561.87 after a drop of 4.43, which shows that the price of Axie Infinity has dropped by 7.57% in the last 24 hours, which is a very big deal. In the past 24 hours, the value of Ethereum has gone down by $3.71, from $1,841.73 to $1,841.73. This shows that Axie's support floor is currently $10.21, which is very important when distributing this block. BNB Axie hanging at 313.13 after a 3.17% change in value over the same time period. XRP, the local currency, is somewhere around 6.93, and Axie hanging at 42 cents right now. Coco's BCX fell by 0.77%, bringing it to 60 cents. These events clearly show that the market is going down for the time being. This shows that Bitcoin has 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%. This is very important right now because it shows that the crypto market as a whole is going down in a bad way. Axie the Infinity Axie King and Obstacle Axie King are in conflict with each other in every practical way. Our most important technical markers used to show key price levels where the pattern could change. This is called very important support, and it's a level where buyers usually change into something else and stop the coin's price from falling any further. Showing that Coco's BCX fell 0.77% in value and went to 60 cents, which is very important. Opposition is a level at which traders stop the coin's price from going up, which is also very important. Below are the help and opposition levels of Axie boundlessness. Axie Infinity execution. The normal Axie Infinity chart shows that the AXS price has been going down, with a 7.57% drop in the last 24 hours. Support is a level where buyers become more active and stop the coin's price from going down any further. The price of Axie Infinity has dropped by 7.57% in the last 24 hours, which is a big deal. Coco's BCX is now worth 60 cents after losing 0.77% of its value. AXS price changes by 10.04% over the course of a week, while the Axie hanging volume stays around 41,185,794 USD. What's more, Axie's support floor is currently $10.21, which is different from what most people think. Axie Vastness Value Examination X Cost Investigation for the 8th of May, 2023 inside a very everyday time span especially made sense of underneath in a kind of significant manner. We utilize essentially relative strength index moving truly normal intermingling and disparity seeking levels opposition levels different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving in every theoretical sense normal and dramatic moving certainly normal to examine the future development of the Axie vastness, which explicitly shows that XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere around 6.93 and at present Axie hanging at 42 cents, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Axie infinity certainly has in a real sense break all its sort of supports levels, and things truly are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market, showing how similar obstruction for the most part is a level at which dealers really become move kind of dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in a very significant manner. Presently explicitly bears, by and large, are in charge of the market and effectively, for the most part, take AXS cost beneath the essential help level of 10.21, exhibiting how the genuinely all-out Axie hanging volume in a real sense remains in at $47,516,158,315. So AXS explicitly has its certainly next obstruction $11.87 in a quite huge manner. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the kind of sign line after a hybrid in every prexionetical sense. Further appearance how following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Axie boundlessness, Axie infinity, Axie execution. The daily graph of Axie vastness shows that the AXS price tends to go down, with a 7.57% drop in the past 24 hours. Support is usually a level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from going down even more, showing that Coco's BCX went up to 60 cents after seeing a drop. Axie lack of limits. Financial BX seekers need to keep an eye out for any change in direction over the very day-to-day graph. This makes the infinity financial BX seekers need to keep an eye out for any change in direction over the very day-to-day graph in a quiet way. RSI is in the oversold stage, while Axie is at 19 and trying to get out of the negative zone while showing a huge amount of negative power. These events show that the market is going down at the moment. Bitcoin has 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This is important. While Axie as Williams percent our marker is at 61.794 for the 14-day period, showing a balanced situation. Tuesday, the price of Bitcoin stayed below a key price floor as investors got ready for retail sales data from the US. As inflation starts to slow down, sales in the US are expected to go up after going down for 2 months. Ethereum's price is still more than $1,800. Bitcoin, BTC, prices stayed the same during today's session as markets got ready for the latest US retail sales numbers. As inflation goes down, sales are expected to go up by 0.8% in April, after going down for 2 months in a row. Tuesday, BTC/USD went from a high of 27,000